Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma, and in today's video is the Sunday vlog. My family and I were going to church. We haven't been to church since the pandemic, but we said we're actually going to like a physical church. So I said let me just take you guys along just for the whole day because I don't know, today we're going to be making a lot of food like after service and all that, and I just felt it would just be fun just to chill and just to sit down and enjoy making food with my family. So hope you enjoy the vlog. So this is what I'm wearing for service. These days I'm wearing like boo-boos because it's like my first lady look. Can you see? You know, my brother told me. My brother said that in the past 5 years, this is the best he's ever seen me look. Like, I've not looked good in the past 5 years. This is what looking good looks like. Can you imagine? Guys, I'm so sorry I don't have any clip of church service. I was so excited to be in church, and service was just so good that I totally forgot to record. But then after that, we went to the store to get some groceries for the whole week. And this is my mama over there trying to get us some groceries. My sister picking up some things that we eventually dropped. And shopping was good. We got some honey. Yup, that's us getting some honey. Honey for the honey. Ooh. Oh, and this is me picking up the eggs. But if you can tell, like the clips are not so in order. That is because for some reason I was just too crazy. Um, this is us getting some drinks for the house and every other thing in between, and it was really fun shopping. Honestly, it's always fun like shopping with like the whole family, and everybody gets to get an input. We're getting daddy's yogurt at the same time too. We have to still get our own ice cream because we kids we need things to get our sugar high. You can see the greens there. All these celery, lettuce is for daddies, for mommies, for us too. And this is us leaving. So comment down below what your Sunday routine is like, and like let me know like what exactly do you do with your family or do alone, or you just enjoy overall about Sundays. But Sundays are like the days we absolutely sleep in my house and we just like chill, and everywhere is just so quiet, and it almost seems like there's nobody living in our house just because everybody's like resting, and that's when we get to see our dad more, and we really have a good Sunday just being at home all alone. And this is us going back into the car but with our ice cream and coke, and this is me struggling with my long dress to get into the car. This dress, like the gap for like moving is so small, and this is us going back Sunday. That Sunday was so bright and so sunny. It was so beautiful. You had to see the sky. Oh, and it's been raining so much in Abuja, so you really needed to see the sky that day. It was so blue, it was so beautiful. The city overall is beautiful over beautiful, but particularly it was beautiful. This is us for the first time trying to make akara, and ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in our entire life, the Iduma tried making akara, and it came out really good. This is us just adding maggi, pepper, onions, mixing it together. Although our mixture was a little bit liquid, like it needed like one step thick, you get, just to be a perfect akara, but it was so good. And my mommy was the one that made it. I love it when my mom makes things for us, and this is us frying it. Comment also too down below, how do you like your akara? Do you like it like this, like brown, like light brown, or this is how the inside looks, or do you like it like golden brown like this? This is me frying it. My mom likes it light, but this is me frying it. I like it brown, semi burnt. And after that, we had like rice with chicken. Almost every home on Sunday like has like rice and chicken, and growing up we never had rice and chicken, but like as adults now we have rice and chicken. And then at night we decided to make abacha, but then this was not night though, this was like 3 o'clock. We started trying to make dinner, and this is me trying to feel myself like a big girl. I actually opened my camera to say something and I forgot what I wanted to say, and I just kept on looking at myself and just feeling myself. And this is me washing the ogba. And if you don't know ogba, Ugba are like very, very high in protein, and they're like oil beans. And these are not like that. This is like how you wash green, and after you wash it, after you cut it and you wash it, it turns green like when you put it in water. And this is it in the pot. Ah, abacha. My mom makes a damn good mean abacha, and this was so delicious, so delicious. This is how like stirring it. I know abacha is so simple for us. It's so simple. What makes it like extra nice is like that sauce you're seeing in that pot. That is where the love happens. Exactly where it happens. And this is just mama stirring it, mixing it very well, because you know, if you don't, some parts will be maggi, some parts will not be maggi, some parts will just be lacking flavor. So this is her putting her mind into it, and we've put the potash into it. Potash is what makes it like thicken up and makes it like saucy and beautiful and yummy. And this is mommy, decorating her husband's plate. See, if you don't have a woman that decorates your plate like this woman, then she's not your wife, period. She ain't love you. She doesn't. No, this is my daddy's plate, looking like a king. If you see our own plate there, jagra jagra, that's because I'm the one that dished it. But this is what daddy's plate looked like. It was so beautiful. Like my mommy always put so much thought into his plate. And this is her like making her own plate. And hers is like smaller than my dad's. Oh, and that's because she eats really, really little. And this is such a cute little plate. And she hates this plate. And this is my own afterwards. Look at how it looks, like a bunch of rubbish. This is it. This is me. And I must say, this food was damn spicy. Like, water was running through my nose. It was spicy. But then I finished it though. But it was spicy. It was spicy. Like, I couldn't even breathe. Like, I was like, damn. Who? Then I decided to take ice cream just to like calm the spiciness down. And that was it for the night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially the voiceover. I really enjoyed making this video and just sharing Sunday with you guys and just cooking with us. So subscribe if you aren't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.